Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this Monarch 16 1/4 by 54 inch Model K engine lathe. This happens to be a Model K16. We call it the Special K here at Machinery Consultants. It's a Monarch machine with flame hardened induction ways. That happens to be our stock number, 6836, and the machine serial number is 40006. That's 4 with 3 zeros and a 6 at the end. This is a very handy size tool room lathe in what we would call a mid-range size, in about a 16 1/4 over the bed, 10 1/4 over the cross, about 10 1/2 over the cross slide, and a full 54 inches between centers. The machine is equipped with a full-length taper attachment. It has a 10-inch 4-jaw chuck. It's very well tooled and it runs absolutely great. All right, Frank, let's go ahead and run through the paces. See what you got.
28.
Okay, that's 28 RPMs right there. This is the low range of things. We have 16 changes ranging from 28 to 1200 RPM. The width of the bed, I'd like to point out, is 12 inches wide. Cross slide on here, fantastic. The weighs, absolutely amazing. This machine just came to us from long-time standby storage, very limited use. Okay, sounds good. Next. The overall weight on this machine is 4,200 pounds. It's a 5 horsepower main drive motor. There's 48 changes on the threads. From 1.5 to 92 SAE TPI. What speed was that?
168?
That was 168 RPM. Okay, that's 205 RPM. Perfect. All right, I'm going to switch places on your left. That's 345 RPM. This machine is 49 inches high, 40 inches wide, and it takes up 129 inches of floor space on the length. It's currently wired at 440 volts. Again, it's a 5 horsepower main drive mode.
546?
I'll show you how easy it is to change the speeds on here. It's a D16 cam lock with 1 3/8 inches on the spindle board. The threading chart and the feed chart are laid out very simple. Super easy to operate. We all know the reputation of Monarch. Heavy duty, well built, American made machine. The common wear parts are still available through Monarch as well.
940?
Okay, that's 942 RPM. Is that 1200? Okay, that's 1200 RPMs. Looks great. That's fantastic. So we have this machine priced to sell quickly. It's absolutely terrific machine. We've kept the frills to a minimum. It has a taper attachment with the bed clamp, a 4-jaw chuck. So please ask us about an option of a digital readout or a wedge style quick change tool post, 3-jaw chuck or 6-jaw chuck. I've also included a drill chuck. Very nice little drill chuck, may I add. Excuse me, that's not a drill chuck, that's a life center. Very nice life center, may I add. Heavy pattern. Okay, engaging some feeds. My bad.